This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, you will need to swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar, thus opening the list of available controls. In here, find the tile that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold onto its icon. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page or generic internet settings page, assuming that the network that you would like to share you're connected to, currently you just gotta tap on it. Then at the network details page, go for the share option, and at the following page you'll be able to see the actual Wi-Fi network password, that is in my case hard reset, as well as the QR code that you can use in order to automatically connect some other device to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.